Okay, I'm getting him.
Excellent.
See what I'd like to do again? Is, get a projection
Yeah.
What an idiot.
That'd
possible?
be, I think so.
From right there to the
Yeah. Awesome.
That's hilarious.
That'd be neat.
Check it out.
In a minute you can.
Would you tell me?
In a minute.
Yeah, you see my truck, right?
Barely. Barely. That's nice. Wish.
Nice truck, man.
Yeah.
I got a problem though.
What's the problem?
I got 2 trucks.
Oh.
You want one?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You can have it. You bet, man.
And the best part is, we don't have to paint.
Oh, really?
No, good.
Oh, okay.
I think he was happier about that, wasn't he?
Good, because I hate painting.
That's why I said it.
Yeah, man. You can have it.
Thank you.
You bet.
That's why we're here.
Oh, okay. Good.
Yeah. Start it up, man. See what you think.
You better hug this other person too.
I think you have pretty much everything. Just the back together.
Electric windows?
I like it.
You didn't have any idea, did you?
No, none at all. That was good. That was a good one. Thank you.
You know how many times people have said something that would have led you to it, and you just didn't catch it? The way to Branson, your grandma says, "Look, that looks like Brian's truck."
Oh, yeah?
I had to change the subject real quick.
Was I asleep?
No, you were. Remember the jet skis? I said, look at the jet skis being pulled by a blue Dodge. I didn't realize it at the time.
Oh, I did not know that.
Yeah. Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
All right.
You're my favorite uncle.
Alright. Scored some points.
I think you were before this anyway.
Lippy walk.
Slippy rocks.
Yeah.
Going down to the river.
Goodbye.
Say something at the end, Gracie?
Hi. Hi. Don't run, Megan.
Yeah, the slip. You'll fall on those slippy rocks.
Even though those are running shoes.
Yeah, but she ain't got no socks on.
I know. Those are running shoes, but without socks, they're not running shoes.
All right.
We're almost there, Brian.
We're almost there.
Okay, let me check in there.
Let me check in there. You want to see? Look.
We're
See your sister?
almost to the river. Just a
See her?
little bit more. Oh, can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you. Look here. Let me turn it around.
You see? All right.
Oh, I don't know if you can turn it around. Watch. Can you see you?
No,
Under here? Watch.
no.
See?
Oh, man, it's close. Look, watch. Look, watch. Look at me. Hello, everybody. And I am going to show you the river. That's it.
Almost there. Say yay, Megan.
No, instead of a river, that should be a house.
Where?
You know what? Let's go.
Say hip hip hooray.
Let's go away.
That wasn't very good.
That's good. Hip hip hooray!
That was better. Hey, Megan, say hit it,
Hip hooray!
baby. Say hit it, baby.
Hit it, baby! Why do you make her say that?
It's funny.
Makes me, yeah, it doesn't look like it to me. It looks like makes me to play the guitars, and I say, hit it, baby!
Yo, if we played the guitars
Yeah,
and she said hit it, baby.
yeah.
Okay, when we get down to the river, you can't go down there too far, okay?
Why? Be careful.
So you don't jump in.
Okay, but be careful. Read the sign, mister.
Yeah, read the sign.
Yeah, mister. I already know what the sign says. I could go. Let me see
That's
me.
scary.
Let me see me.
You can't.
Please. The moon's up.
Hey, whenever we get back to the house, I'll let you watch this, okay? And you can see you on tape, all right?
Sign.
There's a sign.
Did you read it, mister?
I read it, mister.
Mister. Oh, it, mister. And you better be careful because there's snakes all around there.
Yeah.
Mister. And around the tall grass over there. Nobody knows it, that's right.
That's why we gotta stay on the little path.
Mister. Well, there's not paths for very long.
Yeah,
So,
it's all right though.
get down.
It's a little place
Now
to
we gotta
sit.
watch out for snakes. There's snakes all around there and all around.
Don't get down in the water or else your dad will be very mad at
The
me.
water's fine. It's not flooded anymore.
Yeah, but you can't get down in there or else your dad's gonna get really mad at me. There's a little walkway.
Watch out while you come down here. Be careful, please.
I'm being careful.
'cause there-
Okay, you too, Megan.
Okay, be careful because there are little ants. Once they bite you, you bleed.
The little ants and they bite you and you bleed. All right.
Well, they're big.
Oh, they're big ants.
That's why when they bite you, you bleed. Yeah, but I think they're in the water now.
Oh, okay.
Like this? Since they're usually on this side. Yeah, my sister's found footprints.
Don't run, Megan. Don't run.
My footprints. Okay.
These stairs are very steep.
Yeah, they're gonna fix them.
Are they?
Yes.
Whoa.
That's
All
what I
right.
want.
Okay, stay right here. Don't go any further than right here.
Yep.
It's a little step. It's all muddy because of the flooding.
Why are you stepping in the mud?
And look how high it is.
I know.
Because
Been there for a long time.
right over there,
Last time we've been down here, it was like to there, that solid stuff.
right there was that little island we were swimming across to, but it's not there right now because of the flooding.
Yeah.
It's cool. It's real nice down here.
You know, now these people
Not
are
yet.
gonna have to rebuild this place. See, Brian. Let me see. Now turn it this way. That way I can see.
Turn it this way. You see, if I turn it that way, you can't see nothing.
I don't want to say. I want to say.
Hey Megan, tell a joke.
Huh?
Tell a joke. Tell me the knock knock joke you told me.
Whoa.
Well, see? Here, let's come back up here.
Let's go back.
Yeah, we're going back. Megan, tell me the knock knock joke you said in the house.
Oh.
Remember?
Knock, knock, who's there? Boo. Boo hoo. Something.
Don't cry, it's only a joke.
Okay.
Come on, Megan, say
Be
it.
careful. Don't get on that side.
Yeah, get off.
Because there might be snakes over there and over here.
Oh, pretty.
Okay, now there might. Alright, let's go, Brian.
I'm coming, I'm
Don't put
coming.
that tape at me.
Why not?
Guys, I don't know what to say no more.
Oh, okay.
I just know. You know one thing I know what to say?
What?
Watch out for snakes!
Watch out for snakes.
Whoa.
Megan ain't scared of no snakes, right, Megan?
Oh, yeah, she is.
She likes the snakes.
She better be.
Arrgh!
Let's go. Romeo. Tell me to see Romeo.
Romeo.
He's a little kitty.
Oh.
A little kitty, Megan.
Okay, I'm turning it off.
No. Wait, I see. I want to see what we did.
Whatever.
I want to see what we did.
Hold on. This is their new bathroom.
Yeah. So this is how you wash your hands.
How you wash your hands? Show us.
Like this. You get the soap and put it on your hands.
Mm-hmm.
And when you're done,
She's showing us how to wash your hands.
Oh yeah, she knows how to do it, all right.
and then you turn the water on.
Turn the water on.
And then you wipe your hands.
Mm-hmm.
And ta-da.
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 And ta-da.
Okay.
And then you wipe your hands.
Then you wipe them.
You see it's a bit.
Very
And
tight.
then you turn the light off.
We turn the light off. There's the bedroom. Computer. Carpet. Living room.
The practices I used to come up with the plays.
TV.
You know, I tell you, I love those.
Boy,
But I don't, the living room's too small. I think the living room's too small. That's why if we get that projection television, we put that in our room.
Gym.
Mommy's
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah, all of those.
Look at the footlight, Brian. Fun.
What I'm gonna do is move that over here, and so all this will just be an open space.
Yeah.
Because.
not exactly.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. The garage, yeah.
And you'd have to go talk to somebody and see if it is possible.
Bathroom.
My skin is peeled.
Extra bedroom. And the girls' room. Britney Spears. Mickey and Ashley. Alright. There's the house. Balcony. I'm gonna go eat. Bye. I don't know if we can see it right now. Well, there's trees now, but house. Yeah. Can't really tell. I picked a bad time to turn it on. Right there. Hopefully it'll just see this better whenever we Maybe I turned it on, they all went away. There's a close. Out in the rain.